And most important thing is prayatna shaithilya, effortlessness. Nowhere yoga should be appear that you are spending maximum energy. No. We will achieve the result provided you follow everything what is advised. See, I tell you something which is very important. There is a possibility when you are doing postures that you start doing like exercise. Most of the time it happens that people call them asana, but they are no asana. They are like exercise. Asanas are, they have defined sthir sukham asana. Asana should be easy and steady. And they have further explained prayatna shaithilya. Asana must be done with effortlessness. Anant samapatyabhyam. Maybe your mind is disturbing you. Then try to focus on infinity. Very clear. There is absolutely no doubt about the definition, but people don't take them. They start doing like physical exercise. And with that, they say, tato dvandva nimigata. Then you will not have conflict of thoughts if done properly. But mostly it is seen. Now, of course, they are very good people also. But many people, they do wrongly. They don't know how to practice with effortlessness. Prayatna shaithilya. Prayatna means effort. Shaithil means loosen. Don't give more emphasis on relax and then do asana. Physical exercises, no. It is effortlessness is the part of the asanas. Because the goal is different.